Ready to close your Bank of America account? To do it smoothly and avoid any surprise fees, you need a plan. Today, I'm outlining the steps to close your account the right way. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Closing an account isn't hard, but a misstep can lead to a final monthly fee or complications. The key is to zero everything out first. First, ensure your balance is zero. Transfer out any remaining funds or withdraw them. Crucially, cancel any automatic payments or direct deposits linked to the account. Reroute them to your new account. Then, contact Bank of America. You can often request to close a checking or savings account through the secure message center in online banking. For a guaranteed confirmation, a phone call to customer service is your best bet. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: get written confirmation. However you close the account, ask for a confirmation number or an email stating that the account has been officially closed. This is your proof if any issues arise later. So, just like that, you can cleanly and confidently close your account chapter. What was the final step that gave you the most peace of mind when closing an account? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.